Hi guys, and how are we doing? My name is Trader Major from Trade with Bolo Online Services, and first of all, I'm gonna wish you a happy New Year. I know this coming in quite pretty late into the New Year, but I wish you a profitable year ahead. And Trade with Bolo is always here to serve you and serve you even more this New Year. So, today we are looking at our best forex trading tips for year 2020. We have something so much in store for you, and we actually want to give you some of our best trading tips for you traders this new year 2020, because we want you to have an awesome year ahead. And there will be some ICT concepts we are looking at, but actually it's a very versatile tip and concept that you can just get to write down or note down sometime within the new year, or even as you trade throughout this year. So diving into our risk warning, we say that trading forex carries so much degree of risk, and you want to actually make sure that you're careful at all times, and actually don't trade with money you can't afford to lose, and apply proper risk management at all times. So we're going to be looking at our first tip today, and our first tip is on pay attention to market direction or market structure. Yes, because for the new year 2022, we would see some new trends, we'll see some new directions that the market is going to take, and you actually want to pay so much attention to these directions, because first of all, you want to be trading in line with the market direction, because that's the area of least resistance. Because as a trader, you actually don't want to be caught up in counter trends or reversals and be hitting big losses. So for example, let me give a very popular one that's going on. Euro USD just ranging, and it seems to be breaking out of a range. So this new year we could have a potential new trend, or we could see a continuation of its previous strong downtrend. So you want to be trading in line with that trend, because you're sure of profits when you are trading along with the trend. So paying attention actually to market direction or market structure, knowing when it's an uptrend, in a downtrend, or when it's ranging, is actually a very key point to note this new year. So we're moving into our second point, and we are going to be saying that mark out your potential market rejection zones before time. Yes, and yes, for the new year 2020, when trading, we would advise you always that before time, make sure you mark out your rejection zones. And at Trade with Body, we teach you different market rejection zones, the order blocks, the different types, the FVGs, which are inefficiencies or imbalances, all these different market rejection zones. At Trade with Body here, we will teach you how to mark them out if you don't know. Okay, and you can just check out www.tradewithbolu.com to sign up for our courses, where we teach you on how to mark out these zones perfectly. But this new year, actually, just take out time to mark out your rejection zones you're looking at. If you're looking for price to come to a region before time, make sure you mark that region or that zone out before it reaches there. It saves you a lot of time, and it saves you wasting your time on the chart just waiting, because now you're waiting for this zone or that zone for market to reach. So make sure that you mark out your order blocks, when to refine them or when to highlight them, all that. If you don't have an idea of that, just check out www.tradewithbolu.com, and there's an help for you waiting. So make sure you mark out those rejection zones, highlight your FVGs in the trend, and just sit back and wait for market to come to your rejection zone. So our third point is never be in a hurry to enter a trade. Okay, this year actually you want to just be taking your time when trading. Patience plays out best in trading. So most of the time when you've marked out your zone, just take out time. If market doesn't reach your zone, still just sit back and wait. Sometimes markets could retrace back to that your zone and pick up your order, because you could jump in the trade and jump in too early, and you'll be hitting big losses that you are not to be hitting, or reaching some large drawdowns you are not to be experiencing. So this new year, actually, don't be in a hurry to enter any trade. You are trading with the market direction, and you've highlighted your rejection zone, so just wait for market to come back and pick your order up. Don't jump in trades, don't chase trades, okay? Because you don't want to be for example, you don't want to be chasing trains if you are trying to board the trains. Same in the market. Don't chase after trades. Okay, place your orders, let market come to pick you up. Never be in a hurry to enter any trade this new year. So to our fourth point, we have journal your trades. This tip is something that they would always tell you: journal your trades, journal your trades. But why do I actually need to journal my trades? Because when you journal your trades, you would know the mistakes you've made, you would know the errors you've made, you would know the faults or the flaws you've made, and you would know which ones to avoid. You know your best winning strategies, whether it was when you highlighted or when you took trades off this and that. That is one of the benefits of journaling your trades. And for example, you take series of 10 trades and you notice that 6 out of those trades that were winners, I did a particular or I had a particular approach to them. This will be shown in your journal, and when you apply them to your remaining trades, you will see results definitely. So this year, take out time to journal your trades, the concepts you used, and your modes of entries. Just note them down, your wins, your losses. Be honest with yourself. Create your journal. You could use an Excel or you could do it online, and just make sure you're honest with your trades and journal each of them this new year. It's going to really, really go a long way for you. So to our last and final point, watch out for high fundamental impact news this new year, because there would be a lot of high fundamental impact news. And why did we say you should watch out for them? Because most of the times you would see the market, you would see some news that could mean that there will be some activities that would go on in the market, and you just want to be aware of them before time, so you don't be caught in case there's a kind of a stop loss hunt or anything going on in the market at that period. So just make sure that you check up the news once in a while. What's going on this week? Have a kind of heads up of what's going on fundamentally every week. I would advise for this year. And you would know that when you mark out your zones and you see some news, if price comes towards your zone, or you see some kind of it's not really going in your favor, you could just decide to sit back and not even take a trade, okay, to be on the safe side. So just make sure you watch out for this high impact fundamental news this new year. It's going to actually go a long way in improving your trading, so you don't get in the stop loss, or you don't get having large drawdowns this new year. So remember to apply proper risk management. That's actually a bonus tip. Apply proper risk management always this new year 2022. And in case some of the tips I stated and you don't understand, maybe the rejection zones or how to highlight them, you could check out www.tradewithbolu.com. We have a specially designed course for you, and we would advise you to take any of our courses this new year to help to improve your skills in trading. We have the advanced and professional course. Actually, that's even a more bonus tip. Take a Trade with Bolu course this new year if you haven't, because it's going to really, really improve your Forex trading skill. So I'm sure you've had an awesome time just experiencing these best Forex trading tips for this new year. Stick to the tips and you'll see results this new year. I remain Trader Major from Trade with Bolu Online Services, and bye for now.